In today's video, I fish a popular creek in the Poconos in PA for wild brown trout and native brook trout. I don't catch any brookies, but I had a really nice day, and a storm hit and something bad happened. Got one. Oh guys, got one on the 3-weight. My first trout on the 3-weight ever. Come on. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my god, these fish are so pretty. Get them in the net. Ooh. This is, I think, a brown. I haven't seen the fish yet. That was like third cast. My first fish on a 3-weight in a while. So, thank this guy for biting. Okay guys, let's take a look at our trout we got here. That was like second cast. Ooh, they're so pretty browns. Look at that trout. Took the fly, took the royal wolf. Super pretty trout. Little brownie, super pretty. Yum, yum, yum. They have cool dots here. Let me get a picture, unhook them and release them. Okay guys, here's our trout we just caught. Super pretty fish. Just wanted you guys to get a good look at him on my phone. But yeah, let's let him go. Okay guys, let's release our first beautiful brown trout of the day. There he goes. Oh guys, got one. But this one's a bit bigger. Okay guys, got one of the bigger trout I've ever gotten in this hole. There he is. Oh god, this one's nice size. Oh, let's go. Super pretty, wild brown. Show him to the camera. Guys, that's my biggest wild brown from this spot. Super pretty. Look at those colors. Let's look at the other side. So pretty fish. On the royal wolf. Let's get some pictures of them. Okay guys, here's our trout. Super pretty. How many inches is this guy? Neck's inside out. This guy is a super pretty 10-inch wild brown trout. Or no, wait. No, 8-inch wild brown trout. Super pretty. Let's get a release on this guy. There he goes. Nice fish. Got one. Got one. It's over there in the current. Let's land them. Another nicer sized one from here. The average size here seems to be like 4 inches. These are all a bit bigger. Oh my god, look at those colors. They have these cool dark colors here. There's the fly in its mouth. Super pretty wild trout. Got another one. This guy's jumping. Here, these fights are good on a 3-weight. But they're not as good as they would be like on a 2-weight or a 1-weight. Because I think I need one of those rods for this creek. I don't got one. There's our pretty brown trout, number 5 of the day. Super pretty fish. All these fish, they're cool colors. Especially for brown trout. They usually don't have that dark line like right there. Even when they're wild, I don't think. Okay guys, here's our trout. Let's just go right there. There he goes. Yeah, I need like a 1 weight for this type of fishing, but here's another one. Super pretty trout. Took the bigger size of the royal wolf. This is the 6th one of the day. Catching a lot of trout here today. I just noticed this is my best day ever of wild trout fishing. There he is, 6th one of the day, around 6 inches. The first one was 10, by the way. I changed my mind later on, but now remembering it was actually like maybe even over 10 by a bit. Okay guys, I just got one. Just started thunderstorming. Oh my god. 7th trout of the day. But oh no, it just started thunderstorming, so I have to get out of here. Our trout, oh my god. Stuff is falling everywhere. Oh shit. Dude. Let's hope that doesn't happen anymore. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's insane. This whole tree just fell. Oh my god. Let's hope no more trees fall. I need to get back. Oh my god. Got one. Let's go. 4th one of the day. Is this another? Yep, another brown. 4th wild brown trout of the day. Super pretty. Okay guys, here's another one. This one was on a bigger size of the royal wolf. So let him go. There he goes. Got one on the ant. Let's land this guy into the net. There he goes. Let's go. 8th one of the day. They're all bigger than they were last time I came here. This one has really pretty yellow colors on it. There's the, I don't know what ant this is again, but super pretty trout. Okay guys, there's our trout. Super pretty. There he goes.